Morning 6th standard. Mrs. Sheila here for your next lesson. Air around us. You must be watching a video now. There was something like a small paper. It is in a still position and a cover and a screen. Children, now they started moving. See the heavy movement of the paper. See the cover, how it moves. Almost it is filling it up in the cover. And see the screen, it's dancing in air around us. Before that, I showed you 3 pictures. One is a paper, a triangle paper, and a cover, and this screen. Now all 3 were in still position. They were not moving. Then I switched on the fan. They started moving it. What happened? What happened immediately? Yes, you are right. There was a heavy air blow makes the triangle paper to fly and the cover to take the air inside. Even the cover was bloating it up. Now the screen was dancing. Now this is happened. It is because of the air that makes the paper to move around, or makes the paper to bloat up, or makes the screen to fly. Now balloons. We fill balloons and it will become different shapes. We fill balls and we play with that. What's happening? What's happening? You are not seeing anything, but the balloon is so big and the ball is big. Why? What's wrong with that? Here is the reason. There is something around us which is not seen directly, but we will feel throughout the day and night. That is called air or atmosphere. The moving air is called wind. The wind only made these 3 things to fly. The wind makes all the things to fly and give lives for the all living things. Air is atmosphere is nothing but air, a mixture of gases. A mixture of gases. You know, we have 3 forms. One is solid, liquid and water. We have now we are going to learn about the 3rd form, that is the gaseous form. The gaseous form we cannot see much. If at all we are seeing, we will see in a smoky format or blackish smoke format or water vapor format, white fumes, all this. But actually natural air around us, without our knowledge we are breathing. Yes, we can't see them. But it is present. We can feel the present. What ways we can feel the present? See, our hair will fly. Then we will feel like, a little airy, like we are feeling very comfortable. Suppose if I put up the fan in the class, what happens? What you all will do? Miss put up the fan. What happened? We are feeling very sticky and we are feeling sweat. All that. Now here, air is a mixture of gases. You have oxygen. That's a known gas for you. Carbon dioxide. See this making the boat to fly. Nitrogen. Hydrogen. Neon. Helium. There are so many gases. There are so many gases in an atmosphere. This together we call them as atmosphere. These gases, without them we cannot live. And I told you there are oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, helium, carbon dioxide, all these gases are there. Then I told you important point is hot air moves faster, cold air will be heavy, they stays. Air is needed for respiration, that way it's very important thing for breathing. And I already told you air, it's in moving condition. Air molecules are very light, especially hot air moves faster than the cool air. It's because cool air is heavier than the hot air. Hot air is very lighter. Now I just showing you a spoon. Just see, it's a measuring spoon. It's empty, but just see what's just observe what's going. Can you see the bubble? That means this, it contains air inside. The air comes in as a bubble and showing it. Just saw it children? One more time, just look at it. See, that's empty spoon. I'm just putting it inside and filling water here. Now once you are filling water, the water fills, the air comes out. Air comes out, see, as a bubble. The air comes out as a bubble. This occupied, if suppose a liquid occupied, then it comes out as a bubble. Now if you take the mixture of air, there is a diagram will be there. Just it's a circle, just here. 78% what? All are murmuring oxygen. 78% oxygen, okay? Then almost 28% here, something else. I want your answer. How many of you say 28 is oxygen and 78 is something else? 78 oxygen, yes? You are wrong, children. 78 is nitrogen, 28 is oxygen, other gases 1 point something. That includes carbon dioxide and helium or neon, argon, all other gases. Okay, 78, why 78 nitrogen? Because it's needed for the plants. We are living beings are very less. We take only oxygen, but they take both. They are balancing both. This is the composition of air. We call it as a composition of air. The highest percent air is a nitrogen, then oxygen, then other gases. Maybe carbon dioxide may lead the first, and then other gases, hydrogen, neon, argon, all that gases. Now water vapor, it is a form of gaseous form of water. You must have seen something boiled water. You can see the steam coming out. That is the gaseous form of water. That you can see white fumes comes out. That goes to the sky because it is a hot. Slowly it goes to the atmosphere and then reaches the sky. Now oxygen's needed for burning. Without oxygen, you cannot burn anything in the world. That means we cannot cook anything. See, we can say I will have a cylinder. Okay, put on the cylinder, and just no oxygen means it will not burn. Without oxygen, burning totally will be stopped. I'll be showing that in the next experiment in a few minutes. Just I'll continue the class.